To kobire kaunti ma Kisumu en ni piny owacho malo chiwo omenda maromo milion 30 itieko gedo mar log Tich mar Kisumu sub county mabende koro nojwang' higni 13 mosekadho. Jalup county commissioner mano ma Kisumu West mano Charles Wanyonyi osingo ni koro idhi time maber ahinya kendo koro oriwore kanyo to kod women rep ma Kisumu Rosa Bui mondo mine gidhira nena kaka omenda no nyalo chopo mondo gedo makamano odhi nyime. Kano lose wachno e kinde chiwo tich makamano e lwet wuon orak kata contractor mabende biro bedo katimo tich makamano. Owacho kanyo ni korodno idhi ger e lony manyasani. Buyu korka koreka ni loso to poya ahinya jatend migawo mochung' ne weche mag arita kod weche ma iye pacho ka Dr. Fred Matiang'i kuom temo dhir matek ahinya mondo koro pesa makamano ochopi e gedo ma owinjore. Apisa mochung' ne tije e Nyanza Ahura Benjamin to lando ni koro contractor nogono biro kawo dweche 4 kende mondo mi otiek tijno ma osebedo ka okwamo. Ahura bende odhi nyime kowacho ni omenda maromo milion 35 yande koro nosetiyo e gedo marot makamano mano chakre nyaka ne jwang'e higni 13 mosekadho.
This project began in 2010 under economic stimulus program where the government allocated some money to build sub-county headquarters, Kisumu West sub-county included. However, we were not able to complete the project. The project stalled at one time, but we did not give up looking for funds. So in 2019, when I was posted here as a deputy county commissioner, I worked hand in hand with the local leadership to find a way of completing the sub-county headquarters. We went through this journey together, and I would like to take cognizance of our women representative in Kisumu County for having taken the initiative of ensuring that we have a sub-county headquarters. I'd also like to thank my accounting officer, that is the principal secretary, Dr. Karanja Kibicho, for allocating 30 million shillings towards completion of Kisumu West sub-county.
We know that the government's policy is that all stalled projects must be completed before we start new projects. When I had a discussion or consulted our DCC, I told him, DCC, you know what? How come our headquarter is not complete? And in the books of the ministry, it shows that the headquarter was completed a long time ago, and it is actually in operation. The DCC was very swift, and he said, what are you talking about? So he took pictures and sent us pictures. And when we showed pictures, we stamped our authority and said, there is no way you can give new headquarters to other sub-counties when the Kisumu West sub-county headquarter has been sitting since 2009. On this particular day, I'd like to thank the Bwana CS, Honorable Matiang'i, and our PS, Honorable Kibishu, because they actually listened to us and said, put aside all the new projects that were supposed to go to new sub-counties and said that Kisumu West sub-county project must be complete. They just did not say it without any action, but they actually allocated 30 million shillings in this budget financial year for this project.